Alright guys, so we got a customer complaint. Dryer not getting hot, so we're gonna go ahead and check it real quick. And we're gonna turn it on. First thing you want to do, you always want to check to make sure you have 240 volts. So that's what we're gonna do. Get your multimeter out and set it to volts. If you have enough room and you can just barely wiggle this out, and okay. So the volts are there. Got 238. Either you can do it that way if you're comfortable. If not, you can unscrew this panel here and then you can put your leads back there and check it. Alright, so no heat. So what you want to do, turn it off and unplug. Okay. Put this to the side. So back here we got some screws, 2 screws here. You want to remove, give yourself enough room, or make this shorter. Alright. Okay, you're gonna remove the screw and this little angle clip. Same thing on the other side. Okay, we're gonna do that. And lift up, and that should give you enough to expose this.
Alright, hurry. Did you say Fred was your name?
James.
James, okay.
This is for you.
Alright, thank you. Alright.
Take those 3 screws out, and then you got 3 more to go right here in the front. Yeah. There, you got those, and you'll get this one. And this one sometimes the little clip that it screws into comes off, so just put your hand and grab it. Kinda, I think it's like a drum guide or something. You can either pull up or push these down. Just usually pull up, and so here you have a door switch. You need to unplug. Be very careful with that, and this will just come up just like that. All right, so we got that. Careful, send that down. So you got screws 2 here, and then 1 down there, and a wire you need to unplug. So okay. Alright. Of course, this one right here. I'm gonna set those there. Unplug this, and there's a light here you need to unplug as well. Press and pull. Should be fine there. Lift it up and alright. So I can't show you guys, but there's a belt around the drum and there's a pulley. So that pulley's putting tension on the belt so it can stay on. So I won't be able to show you, but basically you just put your hand in there and put pressure on the pulley, and that loosens up the belt, and then you're able to take the belt off. And you put it on the same way you took it off. So, alright, so got that drum out. Now you're gonna grab your multimeter. There's two ways you can do this. You can check for resistance on ohms, I believe, or continuity. I like doing the continuity because it gives you a beep. A lot of people don't like that, but hey, it's worked for me so far. Alright, so let's check. Alright, so this last fuse here is no good. So I'm gonna see if I have one of those. If not, we'll give the customer the estimate anyways. Alright, we'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I went ahead and replaced the fuse here, and we're gonna put it all back together the way we took it apart, and then we'll test it. So we'll see you guys later.